everybody. This is Eric Miller at M&M 2026 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, with Andras from TECHNOORG Linda.
That's right.
So I wasn't familiar with your company previous to this, but you have a booth, a gorgeous booth here,
Thank you very much.
and at the show, and you have some really interesting ion mills, but they don't seem to be the regular run-of-the-mill ion mill. Pardon the pun. So tell me a little bit about your ion mills and why they're special and who would be interested in them.
All right. Thank you very much. First of all, it's an amazing show. So thanks for the organizers. We really enjoy it. Nice people and great atmosphere. Mm-hmm. And you're right. We brought a couple of new ion mills. We're a specialized company. So the advanced sample preparation is the thing what we do. Since the 90s, by the way, so we're not a fresh company. Mm-hmm. Right, and we just freshly launched the new generation of our ion mills, mm-hmm. including the Gentle Mill, which is a quite well-known machine. It helped the scientists for almost 3 decades, and now we have a new generation of that. That's mainly for final cleaning the FIB lamellae. Mm-hmm. So you can clean the last nanometer of amorphous layers, any kind of gallium implantation, any kind of contamination, what you might have on the lamellae. So this is good for that. Also, we have other models like the SamPrep Smart, which is a super advanced device for cleaning surfaces or doing fast cross sections. And we have the Unimill, which is also a fresh one, which can cover basically both areas. So the TM sample preparation and with some limitations, the SCM preparation as well. So you can choose which fits to your needs the best.
Yeah, the Gentle Mill I thought was kind of fascinating because it's not your regular ion mill. It's the last step in the FIB process.
Exactly.
You take your FIB grid and put it into the Gentle Mill, exactly. And it will remove that amorphous, gallium damaged layer.
Everything what is not needed, and also it can make your lamella thin like 5 nanometers or so. So it's like quite extreme,
You also had in the booth next to the Gentle Mill was the attachment to go onto the FIB.
That's right. We call it GIB. GIB stands for Gentle Ion Beam. And that's a retractable low energy ion source, which can be attached or even integrated into your FIB-SAM system. And once you cut out your lamella, you can clean it with the argon, so you can completely finish it on the highest level, and then you can do the observation and transfer it to the TM. Okay. If it's needed.
It's really interesting. So if people want to find you online and learn more about your products, where do they go?
Yeah, I strongly suggest to follow us on LinkedIn because we share a lot of scientific content as well. We just freshly launched also another portal or platform. We call it TECHNOORG Academy. You can find it on our website, technoorglinda.com. And it's purely a platform for educational purposes. So we don't sell anything on that platform. So visit us. We have tons of webinars, articles, nicely structured scientific content, which can explain all these technologies and the related ones and the results and what is it good for. And you can contact with our specialists as well.
So where's the company TECHNOORG Linda based? What country?
Yeah, we're located in Budapest, the nice capital city of Hungary.
Okay. And here in the United States, do you have a distributor or are you selling directly to people?
No, we have an exclusive distributor, Nanoscience Instruments, a highly trained team with fantastic people. So we are very happy to have such a partner here. And we are very confident that they can serve our customers on the highest level.
Thanks, Andras. That was super great. Check out Instructinate.com for all the great electron microscope merch that you definitely need to buy to show that you're much cooler than all the other people in your lab. But we got more from M&M 2026 coming up. Thanks.